Have you ever stopped to wonder why? As the Earth spins at over 1,000 miles per hour, we aren't flung off into the vast expanse of space? The answer lies in an invisible force we experience every day, yet rarely give a second thought to: gravity. Gravity, in its simplest terms, is a force of attraction. It pulls objects towards each other, and the strength of this pull depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. This is why we feel gravity most strongly from the Earth. Its mass is so immense that it draws everything towards it, from the moon in the sky to the pen that slips from your hand. Imagine holding a stone tied to a string and spinning around. The stone wants to fly in a straight line, but the string pulls it back towards you. This is similar to how gravity works on Earth. The planet spins, but gravity pulls everything towards the surface, preventing us from flying off into space. Remember that gravity isn't just a force that pulls us down. It also holds the moon in orbit around the Earth, and the Earth in orbit around the sun. This force is so strong that it even bends light, a phenomenon Einstein famously predicted with his theory of general relativity. Now, speaking of Earth's rotation, it's fascinating to note that our planet spins at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, yet we don't feel this motion because it's constant and we're moving with it. It's like being in a car driving at a steady speed. On a smooth road, you know you're moving, but you don't feel the motion. Despite gravity's immense force, it doesn't make everything immovable. You can pick up a book or a cup of coffee because you're exerting enough force to overcome the pull of gravity on that object. It's not that gravity stops working, but rather that your effort is stronger. In conclusion, the reason we don't fly off the spinning Earth is due to the force of gravity. This invisible force not only keeps us grounded, but also holds the entire universe together. It's a force that allows us to live our lives without flying off into space, yet also lets us pick up a book or a cup of coffee. So next time you drop something, you know it's not your clumsiness, it's just gravity doing its job.